Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I am excited to share the best way to drink vodka with ginger ale. A classic vodka doesn't have any flavor and taste. That's why you can mix it with any chaser. Today I will share the best way. I will take an old-fashioned glass and fill it with ice. Now I will place a fresh orange slice. This will add a beautiful sweet and tangy taste. Now I will make a little space for the next one. Okay, now I will add a fresh lemon slice. This will help to cut the harshness of the vodka. Vodka is the most popular drink among young people because it doesn't have a bitter taste and strong flavor. So you can drink vodka with any combination. Now I will add a slice of cucumber. Cucumber will definitely make the vodka super smooth. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Now I will add fresh mint leaves. Mint leaves will make your drink super refreshing. I will pour around 45 milliliters of vodka. If you really enjoy vodka, my suggestion is to pour between 30 to 45 milliliters. Once my friend asked how vodka is made. You will be surprised to know that vodka can be made from any fermentable ingredients, including wheat, rice, potato, corn and even from molasses. Now I will pour ginger ale to my vodka. You may be confused whether ginger ale is alcoholic or not. But it is interesting to know that modern ginger ales are purely non-alcoholic. Now it's your turn to enjoy this beautiful drink with your friends. I am excited to hear from you. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with an exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.